Yes, welcome back to the channel, and this is preparing food stage. I might do something after I have eaten some food. Let's begin with some American Got Talent. Thomas Wu brings the heat with his fire Rubik's Cube stunt. Okay, why is everyone gonna be up in flames this season? Oh, crazy. Anyway, let's see this. What?
Not bad.
Oh wow.
30 seconds,
Can you
solve a
sing?
cube.
Thankfully, I cannot sing.
So are you gonna do it tonight in 30 seconds?
Yeah, I'll show you guys. I'm gonna go finish getting ready. In the meantime, I'd love for Terry to scramble the cube.
You need to change for that?
Oh god.
It's a slight adjustment.
Okay.
Be right back.
Just keep spinning it.
What could he possibly change into right now?
I always watch them do this. This is crazy.
Yeah, this is crazy.
He's up to something. I feel like there's something more. Thank you, sir.
There you are.
What on earth?
Oh God.
Oh lord.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, why? Oh my word, is that a thing? Oh lord. What? I mean, this is...
This is not good.
What? Wow. I don't know how to feel about that. That was scary as hell, and that was crazy. And the fact that someone came up with the idea, I was gonna solve a Rubik's Cube while on the fire. Yeah, that was crazy and I was like, how on what? But okay, that was something else. How do you feel about that? Stay tuned.